The air feels cool today. I think fall is really here.
Yeah, I felt it this morning. My beige hoodie isn't warm enough.
It looks nice, but it's too light. You need something thicker.
Maybe a hoodie with fleece inside. I want to feel warm and soft.
Fleece is good. What color do you want this time?
Maybe dark green or gray. Green feels like autumn, right?
Yes, and it matches your hair. You always look good in green.
Thanks. What are you looking for today?
A cozy sweater and maybe a warm dress. I want soft fabric, not itchy wool.
You really care about fabric.
Of course, some clothes look nice but feel rough.
I never check that. I only look at the price tag.
That's why I'm here. I'll help you choose.
Good. I need someone who knows about cotton and wool.
Cotton is soft, but not so warm. Wool is warmer, but can be itchy. Cashmere is the best, but expensive.
So, fleece or thick cotton for me?
Perfect. Let's start with the men's store over there.
Sure. And then we can go to the women's section for your dress.
Deal. I also want to see scarves. Fall colors make me happy.
You already look like fall. Brown top, denim skirt, beige jacket.
And you look like a model in your light hoodie and gray joggers.
Maybe the store will give us a fall discount.
You wish, but we'll find good prices.
I hope we finish before sunset.
We'll see. Shopping takes time.
Okay, let's go.
Ready, shopper number one? This store looks perfect for you, Jason. Look at all these hoodies.
Yeah, there are so many. I don't even know where to start.
Start with this one. It's gray, simple, and soft.
It feels nice, but maybe too thin for fall.
True, you need something thicker, like this dark green one.
Oh, this one looks good. It says fleece inside. That means it's warm, right?
Exactly. Fleece is soft and cozy. It's great for cold mornings.
I like the color too. It feels calm, not too bright.
Green always looks great on you. It matches your eyes and hair.
Really? I never think about that stuff.
That's why you have me. I notice details.
All right, I'll take this one in medium.
Try large too. Some hoodies shrink a little after washing.
Good idea. I like them a bit loose anyway.
Perfect. You'll look relaxed and warm.
Should I try another color? Maybe blue or brown?
Maybe, but this green feels like fall. You already look ready for October.
Okay, I'll take green and gray to the fitting room.
Wait, don't forget about hats. Look, these are nice.
Later, Ellie. I can only focus on one thing at a time.
You're impossible. Shopping is a process.
For you, maybe, I just grab what fits and go.
That's why you end up with thin hoodies.
Fair point, but this one looks better, right?
Yes, and it's 20% off. See the tag?
Oh, great. Warm and cheap, my favorite combo.
Go try it on then. I'll wait by the mirror.
Fine. Don't wander off to the women's section yet.
I promise nothing. I already saw a cute sweater over there.
Of course you did. This will be a long day.
Maybe, but we'll both look amazing when it's over.
Okay, Ellie, what do you think? The green hoodie fits well.
Turn around. Yeah, it looks perfect. The shoulders fit and the color is great.
It feels warm, too. The inside is so soft.
That's the fleece. It keeps you cozy when it's windy.
I like it, but the gray one feels lighter.
Try it, but I think the green is better for fall.
All right, give me a second. Okay, now the gray one.
It looks fine, but not special.
Yeah, kind of boring. The green one wins.
Good choice. Are you getting it?
Yes, I'll take it. Now let's check the hats.
Great. Here, this dark wool one looks nice.
Feels rough. I don't like it.
That's wool. It's warm, but can be itchy. Try this cotton one instead.
Much better. Softer, but maybe not warm enough.
How about this black knitted hat? It's thick and simple.
Yeah, I like that. It goes with everything.
Try it on.
Okay, what do you think?
Fits perfectly. You look ready for cold weather.
Thanks. I might take this one.
So, green hoodie and black hat?
Maybe. Let me check the price first.
Always the price.
I'm a student. I must survive the fall and my wallet.
It's not bad. The hat is on sale too.
Really? Okay, then I'm done.
That was fast. I'm proud of you.
Can we go to your section now?
Yes, finally. My turn. I saw a few warm dresses on that side.
Lead the way. I'll carry the bag.
Perfect. You're learning how to shop like a pro.
Or like your assistant.
Wow, Jason. Look at this place. So many dresses.
Yeah, this store looks bigger than the last one. Where do we start?
Over there, the fall section. See all those warm colors?
You mean brown, red, and dark blue?
Exactly. I want something cozy, but not too heavy.
Like that gray dress? It looks soft.
Maybe. Let me touch it. Oh, it's wool. Warm, but maybe a little itchy.
You can wear something under it.
True, but I prefer softer fabric. I want to feel comfortable all day.
What about this one? Dark red with long sleeves.
Oh, nice choice. It's knitted, not too thick. Let's check the tag.
It says cotton blend. That sounds good, right?
Yes, cotton blend is soft and easy to wash. I'll try this one.
Great. Want me to wait by the mirror again?
Yes, but don't fall asleep.
No promises. Shopping is hard work.
You did great with your hoodie. Now it's my turn to choose carefully.
Go ahead. I'll hold your jacket.
Thanks. Okay, I'm going in. So what do you think?
Wow, that color is perfect for fall. It matches your hair.
Really? I like it too. It feels warm but light.
And it fits perfectly. You should get it.
Maybe, but I want to see one more dress.
Of course you do.
I can't decide too fast. This is part of the fun.
For you, maybe. I just survive it.
Relax, we're almost done. After this, I'll look at sweaters.
Oh, great. Another round.
Don't worry, I'll buy you coffee after.
Deal. Then take your time, shopper number 2.
All right, Jason, now sweaters. Look at all these shelves.
So many colors. Which one are you looking for?
Something soft, maybe cream or beige. I want it to match my brown boots.
Here's one. It looks warm.
Let me feel it. This one is wool. It's nice, but a bit rough.
I can already see you saying no.
You know me too well. I need something softer. Oh, this one says cashmere.
Cashmere? Sounds expensive.
It is, but it's also very soft. Feel this.
Wow, that's really nice. Like a cloud.
Exactly. And it's light, but still warm. I think I'll try it.
Go for it. What size are you taking?
Probably small. Sweaters stretch a little.
Want me to wait again?
Yes, and don't make faces when I come out.
No promises.
Okay, what do you think?
That color is perfect. It goes with your jacket and skirt.
It feels amazing. So soft. But maybe a bit thin for winter.
You can wear a shirt under it.
True. Or I can add a scarf later.
It looks warm enough for fall, though.
I think I'll take it. I love the color. Kind of creamy and soft.
Great. Are we done?
Almost. I want to see one more, maybe a chunky knit sweater.
Chunky knit. You mean heavy and warm?
Yes, like this one with big stitches.
Looks cozy. Try it too, just in case.
Fine. One last try, then I promise I'm finished.
I'll believe that when we reach the cashier.
Okay, Jason, final decision time. Which one do you like better, the cashmere or the chunky knit?
They both look good, but I like the cashmere one more. It looks light and elegant.
I agree. The chunky one is warm, but a little heavy.
And the color of the cashmere matches your jacket perfectly.
You're learning about fashion. I'm proud.
Spending all day shopping teaches a lot.
True. Look at this tag. It says 30% off. That helps me decide.
Great! Warm and not too expensive.
Exactly. Okay, I'll take the cream sweater and the red dress.
Nice. Now it's time for the cashier.
Wait, I want to check scarves really quickly.
Ellie, we said no more new items.
Just a look, not a buy, I promise.
I've heard that before.
Oh, come on. Look, this one is soft cotton.
It's nice, but let's finish before you find gloves too.
Fine, fine. Let's go.
I'll carry your clothes. My turn to be the bag holder.
Thank you, kind sir.
You're welcome, fashion queen.
Stop. You make me laugh too much. People are looking.
Let them. We look good. Fall models on a budget.
Exactly. Okay, let's pay before I change my mind again.
Good plan. You know, I never thought shopping could be this easy.
Easy? I did all the work.
True, you chose, I carried. Perfect teamwork.
Let's pay and see if we have enough energy for one more stop.
One more stop? What now?
You still need your hat, remember?
Right, I almost escaped.
Okay, hat time. The accessories store is right there.
I knew you wouldn't forget.
Of course not. You need a warm hat for cold mornings.
All right, let's see. Wow, so many styles.
Try this one. Dark gray wool. It looks classic.
Feels itchy already.
That's the wool. Warm, but not always comfortable.
Yeah, I don't want to scratch my head all day.
Okay, how about this one? Black cotton blend.
Softer, but maybe not warm enough for real cold.
Here's a knitted one. Thick and stretchy.
Ooh, that feels perfect.
Looks perfect too. Simple, but stylish.
Really? It's just a hat.
It's never just a hat. It finishes the outfit.
You sound like a fashion magazine.
Thank you. I'll take that as a compliment.
I like it, but maybe I should try another color.
Maybe dark green to match your hoodie?
Maybe. Let's compare.
The black one looks better. It goes with everything.
True. Okay, I'll take the black one.
Finally, we found your perfect hat.
And I survived another store.
You did great. Now we're both ready for fall.
You with your soft sweater and warm dress, and me with my hoodie and hat.
Exactly. A stylish autumn team.
Do we need anything else? Please say no.
Maybe socks.
Ellie,
Just kidding. Let's go pay before you run away.
good idea. After this, we're officially done.